How to withdraw crypto from Huobi Wallet. First of all, open your preferred browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on the Assets tab and here you will see the Withdraw option. Click on it to begin the withdrawal process. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. In this example, I will withdraw USDT, then choose the appropriate withdrawal network from the list of available options. Scroll down and enter the withdrawal address. Keep in mind that entering the wrong address can result in the permanent loss of your crypto. To avoid this, it's highly recommended that you copy and paste the address directly instead of typing it manually. After that, specify the amount you want to withdraw. You will see the corresponding transaction fee and the final amount you will receive. Note that the fee will be deducted from the withdrawal amount you enter in the withdrawal amount field. If you want to receive a specific amount in your external wallet or platform, make sure to add the fee on top of your withdrawal amount. Once you have double-checked all the information, click on the withdraw button to confirm. Your withdrawal request will be processed and the funds will be sent to your chosen address after verification. Now you know how to withdraw crypto from the Huobi wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.